Oh, look at that sunset. There's a thunderstorm right there, and it's like, well, I gotta catch this on camera. It'll be foolish not to. Let's see, that stupid building's in the way. It's always in the way. Oh, nice. Then I figured, I should probably just get this on video because, I don't see this too often with the sunset right back there. And, I've never seen this before. Wait, I'll get a better shot over here. Looks like a nuclear bomb went off. I should probably go over there by the street. There it is. Oh, wow. It's even better over here. Oh. This is the only stuff you could probably see in movies and shit like that. Like, it looks like a chimney. There's smoke coming out of that thing. Wow. Hey, that's the place I'm gonna deliver pamphlets at. Might be a Dine and Dash driver or whatever it is. You give people food and on a bike or something.